She's good in this. Hey guys, I hope you're all good. And today we've got a bit of Rolling Stones with Lady Gaga. And this is Sweet Sounds of Heaven. It's a new song from 2023 and this is a live performance. So that'll be interesting, and apparently they're all about 80 or something daft like that. So this will be good to get into. I've never really listened, well I haven't listened to Rolling Stones. I know who they are, I know Mick Jagger. I don't know the band, but I can't name out off head. So let's get into it. Sounding very bluesy. Yeah. He's looking older. Playing at 80, jeez.
Sweet sounds of heaven, falling down to this earth.
Hey, what, for 80, them guys are looking good. And Mick Jagger's voice sounds bloody good as well. I don't even think I could get out of bed at 80. Honestly, crazy.
Drifting down to this earth. Bless the Father, bless the Son, hear the sound of drums as it echoes through the valley and it bursts. Let no woman or child go hungry tonight.
He's got a very strong voice.
From the pain and the hurt. Yeah,
Here she comes.
yeah. Welcome, Lady Gaga. Tumbling down to the earth. I hear the sweet sound of children.
Woo-hoo. Well, I gotta say, I mean, I know Lady Gaga's a good singer. Her pop songs I'm not very into, to be honest, but I'll tell you what, something like this, she doesn't half sound good. And I'll tell you what, they've both got good energy. Mick Jagger for 80. Woo-hoo. Oh man, putting a lot of people to shame. Sound good. Sounds good, man.
And they're praising the land of their birth.
Sounds like we're in church, to be fair.
No, I'm not going to hell in some dusty motel. And I'm not going down in the
Look at Mick Jagger getting earned into it.
I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna cry, eat the bread, drink the wine, 'cause I'm finally quenching my thirst. Come on. You can have a life without a little shadow.
Woo-hoo. Edge is ridiculous. '80, really? '80 Rolling Stones in 2023. Absolutely epic. Yeah, bloody hell. Epic. Hey, he weren't being overshadowed there, Mick Jagger. Thank you. Just jamming with the bands. Oh, we still got some more to go. Top's coming off. She's good in this. What the fuck was that? Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Oh man, that's just got. Oh, dear God, what the fuck was that? Jesus Christ. Oh man, he's got me teased that now.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Oh, what a voice. Yeah, being overshadowed by no one. Hey. Oh. Yeah, man. Crazy. I never knew. Oh.
Let's take it back.
That's fucking insane. That was insane. Crazy. Bloody hell, what do you say of that? That was an absolute epic bloody live performance. Rolling Stones, Mick Jagger, and Lady Gaga. Well guys, there's not much to say about that performance. It was absolutely epic. A lot of them, Mick Jagger, Lady Gaga and the Rolling Stones band. Proper bluesy, going back to church kind of vibe. Epic. I like that. I fully enjoyed that. That was epic. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it at that. The performance speaks for itself. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next reaction. Cheers guys.